Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to just make gunfire with your ruler, your normal ruler in the home, and a pen. I'm using the Wonder perfume gel. This will only available in India, so don't go to buy this anywhere in the foreign countries. So yeah, first you need to do just take the ruler here, put this this point, this like and yeah, you put it inside and just got it right here, and yeah, now you are ready to fire. Just do like this. Then just hold it, like just press this to be tight so it not lose by fire. Yeah, so you just press with the thumb. See, and sorry, it's coming out. Then fine, going back once more. See, it's really working with both, and this perfume I think has a chemical, because of that this firing happened. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate and subscribe for more videos or daily or weekly updates. You can just click here, right here on the screen. Yeah, right here. You can click to subscribe, and if you this was a special effect, and if you want to do it at home, you will need two softwares. First will be paint.net, and the second Windows Movie Maker 2.6. I'm using Windows 7. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate and subscribe.